Welcome to Techgnosis, a living cosmography for human flourishing. This Brehon system as a bioregional operating system, where ancient tree collective intelligence serves purpose, memory, and right relationship. It includes ancestral software, memory over code with RAG AI, and the embodied hearth, grounded in the physical land and cosmunity of Osiri. The trajectory moves from amnesia to wholenessing through 4 phases. Phase 1 is from colonization, centering the system on cosmunity memory. Phase 2 is to exchange, bypassing debt slavery. Phase 3 is to honor, ensuring exchange does not degrade into mere transaction. Phase 4 is to flourish together, scaling to a regenerative Brehon-inspired bioregional infrastructure. The architecture of trust is built from the inside out. The first layer is ethics, accountability, and Brehon-inspired natural justice. This core has a RAG AI memory engine, an inner ring of moral circuitry, a green layer of civic organs, a blue ring for augmentation, and an outer ring as the local physical embodiment.
The core is memory in service to life. The Akashic librarian, Iru, is simulated by a RAG AI, gathers fragments as a prosthetic memory, and reweaves patterns into coherent wisdom. Intelligence is useful only when held inside purpose, memory, and right relationship. It serves the living field and never replaces it.
The inner ring is ancestral software and moral circuitry, founded on sacred principles. Secure for sacred containment, transparent for light with discernment, honor for moral gravity, and Brehon for restorative order and natural justice. The civic organs are designed for circulating value without extraction. These include mutual exchange, trade settlement for karmic accounting, energy sovereignty for island power, and an impact ledger to measure the invisible value of trust and belonging. Sacred space mapping is the cartography of meaning. It uses a gap GIS layer for technical mapping as an act of reverence, maps what matters like energy and ancestry, and ensures digital coordinates are translated from screen to soil into physical experiences. The augmentation layer positions technology as servant, not sovereign, rejecting the Silicon Valley model. Tools like Notebook LM, EOLA/ChatGPT, and Apple's interface are used for synthesizing coherence, amplifying dialogue, and ensuring accessibility, all serving the community. The outer ring is embodiment in the physical hearth, moving from astral to terrestrial. This layer includes local hubs and community spaces where the abstract vision is metabolized by human interaction, creating an alchemy of presence where governance resolves real tensions.
The human triad manifests the system. Form is the pattern holder, the geometric receiver that shapes the architecture. Gra is the heart holder, the field of trust that protects the design's integrity. Power is the resource holder, summoning worldly provisions and timing.
Comparing the two paradigms of architecture shows a clear difference. The Silicon Valley spell centers on the sovereign tool and extraction, while the Techgnosis cosmogram focuses on memory and community, governed by ancestral software and mutual exchange, leading to bioregional embodiment. The Tesseract of Remembrance illustrates the wholenessing sequence: dream, shape, hearth, and flow. Techgnosis is the continuous discipline where every tool is turned toward remembrance, marrying, knowing, and making, and scaling into a regenerative civilizational infrastructure.